Oh, hey there. Welcome to this special St. Patrick's Day episode. I've got a special pro tip just for you. Follow these easy steps and you just might find the luck of the Irish this year. Step 1. Head on down to your local liquor store or grocery store and find that favorite bottle of Barefoot, box of Franzia, or a huge bottle of champagne. Step 2. Stop somewhere on the way home and grab a bite to eat for you and your special. Maybe a 10-pack of tacos. And probably the most important part, on your way home, stop at your local dollar store and find the bin of glow sticks. Grab a handful or select your favorite colors, because you'll need those later. Once you get home, start to draw a bath. Make sure the temperature is just right. While the bath is warming up, filling up, go ahead and grab that favorite bottle of champagne and start filling up your glasses with bubbly. Finally, once you got the bubbly in your tubby, go ahead and grab your glow sticks and give them a crack. And now, let your light show begin. So hopefully you've enjoyed this special St. Patrick's Day pro tip, and hopefully you'll find the luck of the Irish. Hey, I'm Travis, Blizzard Basement Hero. Hopefully you liked that St. Patrick's Day tip, because I'm just going to keep it going here with a Blizzard product review. So if you've been looking for that sweet, sexy, sharp, beam moving head, well today I've got just that and obviously a whole lot more. Here's Blizzard's brand new Flurry Beam. This guy is so new, Blizzard just released it in February at the NAMM show. You can go ahead and click right over here to watch the video that they posted of the Flurry Beam inside their cool booth at NAMM. So let's talk about the Flurry Beam, which joins Blizzard's awesome lineup of moving heads. This beam fixture has a really bright single 60-watt RGBW LED with a super sharp 2.5-degree beam angle. Looking at it, it has a very familiar housing. It seems to be built very similarly to one of our other favorite tiny moving heads, the Lil G. So just like the Lil G, it's durable and compact. A little more about its physical features. It has an easy-to-use 4-button display for accessing built-in programs and settings. Here you can see the LED. And on the other side is a smart fan cooling system that only kicks on when needed. On the back, it uses PowerCon compatible connector for power and 3-pin DMX for input and output. If you want to mount this sweet thing to your lighting truss, you might want to pick up Blizzard's multi-clamp. It's called the multi-clamp because it uses removable adapters to fit 1-inch, 1.5, and 2-inch pipes or truss. The bolt that comes with the multi-clamp, however, is too long. It will be too long to fit right into the bottom of the fixture, so you need to get a 1/2-inch bolt like I've done here. You're going to want to do this when using the multi-clamp with the Flurry Beam, but also the Flurry EXA and the Lil G as well. Let's continue and talk more about the beam and its features. The 2.5-degree beam is super sharp and bright at 60 watts. It has very smooth dimming and color mixing with red, green, blue, and white, and includes a strobe effect for a more exciting beam. quickly too with 540 degree pan and 270 degree tilt. You'll have to be careful when whipping this beam around. It has built-in auto programs with 2 sound active modes, one that's fast and one slow. This can all be controlled through 14 DMX channels, manually using the LCD menu, or in master-slave mode.
Coming like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Well, that's a wrap on this review of this sexy, sharp beam moving head. Click on over to blizzardlighting.com to find a dealer where you can get your hands on some Flurry beams of your own. That's it for now. You know what to do. Click thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you didn't. And remember to subscribe for more Blizzard product reviews. I'm Travis, your Blizzard Basement Hero. See you soon.